Wow, it's so good. It's so good. Hi guys, hope you be well. Well, if you are among those people who think or believe that vegetables are boring, I can tell you with great surety that this recipe has enough potential to change your wrong opinion about vegetables. Why? Because, in my opinion, vegetables are more subtle in terms of cooking as compared to red meats or chicken. So, if you have to cook them very fine with huge knowledge of cooking, the temperature of cooking, the time of cooking, the method of cooking, the seasoning of that is always a big game changing factor for the result of cooking with vegetables. And in my vision, this recipe is quite high in terms of all of the items, all of the checklist that I just mentioned. So it had most of the people overcook their vegetables, which result in nothing, and it is like nothing. I mean, you just wasted your money. So if you undercook your vegetables, it's not edible at all. So in my opinion, this recipe is a very nice and unique balance between the flavors, colors, texture, and at this very more importantly, experience. You will have a very nice, unique experience after eating the first bite of this lovely food. And yeah, so I have written most of all of the required must things, subtle points during the cooking process for you. Let's begin the party, and I hope that you make this recipe and enjoy it as much as I did. Let's begin the party. We don't need this part, just for this. That's it. These chunks. Turmeric, a little bit of chili, only this much.
use your hand and mix each and everything. This much. We don't need it very rough, or we don't need it very fine, because we will blend everything. Rough. Garam masala 2 teaspoons, cumin 2 teaspoons, coriander 1, paprika 1, curry half, all together. I'm mixing this. Saute it for 2 minutes. Stir it. Only half of that. More cumin. More coriander seed. Let it cook. King masala. Now taste it. from past. And also salt. Plus 1, 2, 3 teaspoons sugar. Stir. Very important step. Let's check the taste. Wow. 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 5 minutes. Let's see. Look at the texture. Wow. Optimal. Doesn't need any single thing more. Now let's eat this. Wow. Oh my god. It's really wow. Wow. Wow, it's so good. It's so good. Perfect. So good, so perfect, so professional. Wow.